gonna play Minecraft.
Hey guys, today we're gonna play Minecraft. Dennis wanted to show us Dog Beam. Watch our dog.
Yeah, I'll show you everything. On this is not real life.
Nothing on this is like real life except he looks a little bit. He doesn't live under a table. Actually, this looks kind of like his water bowl, and that does look kind of like his food bowl.
Yeah, and this is him. His name is Beam. Right there is his name tag. Taggy. Anyways, his belly. Did you see the belly?
Nope.
Here, come down here, and then you can see the belly.
Looks very cute.
Supposed to. Anyways, if you hear a cow, this is pet cow. This is not real. Just saying.
Our dog does not have a pet cow,
and he doesn't live under a table with all these stuff. This is. I just made it up. This is sack.
And this is his
water
that's
bottle.
Sack of food. This is like a giant water bottle that he refills his food bowl with.
Anyways, I made this all, just so you know.
There's money right here. And there's diamond blocks and gold blocks, so like he's rich. He even has his own pet cow.
Here is his sign in his other sign.
It's
Gold and diamond, super rich.
Stan.
I'm gonna make some more on him. Let's make some more. Let's make him a blanket.
Not right now. We'll do it later.
No, just a napkin.
So by the way, our next video is gonna be hide and seek, and we're gonna put into this mud. But I didn't get a ladder so you can get to the top of the chair. Okay, Dennis?
I don't care if you do it right now. You don't need to put it off.
So I'm gonna do it like this, so you can actually climb the chair for hide and seek. It's gonna be a really fun hide and seek. I can recommend it.
You can leave it like that.
Oh wow, this is very hard to do without water.
We're gonna upload some more videos, a lot more.
Yeah, we upload a lot of videos a day.
We hope we get a lot of comments.
Well, I don't really care that much about comments, as long as they're good comments.
Yeah. I already saw my first good comment on FaceWarp, which is one of my videos. And that guy said this is great, and I loved it. So, it was good.
So, shout out to the guy's name is This Is Awesome. Thank you for supporting us when we just started our channel. And so I'm going to make a ladder to the food bowl. I'll break it later, okay? The water, I mean.
We're going to make a react video today.
Yes, today we're going to make a react video. We are going to react I'm going to look for some funny, maybe some stuff to...
The react stuff, they're funny.
How about let's react to...
John Cena line?
Nah.
They're not that funny.
Let's react to... That's hard. Let's think. We'll see what we'll react to. We'll tell you guys. So...
I'm giving them a really good view.
So, thank you guys for watching. And see you guys next time.